know it's moving. Oh, how cute.
Yeah, we get our morning visitors. If I put enough food out there, they'll show up. We do have hogs, but they've been a little sparse.
The birds by us, they don't know the food is in the thing. They were there the other day and now nobody.
Okay, that looks nice.
Maybe we should have left the flowers, but we have.
That's all right. It looks.
You could put them on the end over there by Arthur.
Yeah, then we won't be able to see.
Yeah, let's just keep it the way it is. It's good.
So pretty.
Yeah, aren't they
It's
nice?
cake.
Yeah, I like the colors.
These are the flowers that I vacuumed out
These
of my
are little
flower bed
cowbells or
when I
something.
learned.
Yeah, that's what that looks like.
Because I didn't want
what
my
do they call
child
those
to be
flowers?
eating
Bells.
Something
hollyhocks,
bell?
which are poisonous.
Oh, hollyhock?
Hollyhock? I never knew that. I planted them one time.
If you make tea from the hollyhock, you will die.
Ooh, then send some.
You make tea from
Make
the hollyhock?
For some person.
Bluebells. Bluebells.
Yeah, but they're not.
Yeah. No, this is.
Poisonous.
Yes. No, this isn't hollyhock. Hollyhock is a big flower.
Here, let's pass this and to have to make a second.
This looks
thanks.
like some kind of bell.
No.
Flower.
You want to bet?
I think I know what you're saying.
It's a bell, a little bell.
Yeah. I
How
don't think
much you
it's.
want to bet?
I don't think it's a.
Hollyhocks are this
Could
big.
be like
No, they
a
are not
snapdragon
that
or something.
big.
Like
Mine were.
Well, maybe you put too much
No.
Miracle Grow on them.